Let's learn how to set up the RA LoRaWAN Sensor Demo. A LoRaWAN sensor node is constructed by connecting a Renesas RA2E1 fast prototyping board, a Renesas HS3001 humidity and temperature sensor module, and a Semtech SX1261-1262 shield to wirelessly transmit sensor data over LoRaWAN at regular intervals. As the LoRaWAN gateway, Kerlink IFEM to Cell transmits data to the Cayenne cloud server via the LoRaWAN network server to visualize data. First, set up the hardware used for sensor node. Insert the HS3001 humidity and temperature sensor module into PMOD1. Perform pattern processing to enable the I2C interface of PMOD1 and to enable the sub-clock for power reduction during software standby. It is necessary to change the jumper setting when downloading the software and when running the application. Connect the RA2E1 fast prototyping board to the PC using a USB cable and download the code for the RA2E1 LoRaWAN Sensor Demo package using the Renesas Flash Programmer. Both RA2E1 LoRaWAN Sensor Demo package and Renesas Flash Programmer are downloadable from the Renesas website. Next, configure the Kerlink IFEM to Cell to be used as a gateway. To install the firmware corresponding to the network server to be used, first check the IP address of the gateway connected to the Internet and connect it via the SSH protocol using terminal software from a PC via an Ethernet cable. The default password is PDMK-, followed by the last 6 digits of the board ID. Here is the example of executing the command when using LoRaWAN network server. The server name should be changed according to the LoRaWAN server used. Reboot after installation is complete. This completes the gateway configuration. Next, configure the LoRaWAN network server. After creating a LoRaWAN account and logging in, click Networks in the dashboard and select Sample Network. Click on Add Gateway. Select Kerlink IFEM to Cell from the list displayed and enter the gateway's MAC address. Set the gateway location and click Register Kerlink IFEM to Cell Gateway to register the gateway. Select the region where the gateway is to be installed from the code displayed. Click Add Band and select the channel plan corresponding to the region. For the channel plan for each region, please refer to the LoRaWAN website. When the gateway is connected, click Restart to complete the gateway configuration. Next, register the device to be used on the LoRaWAN network server. Click on Applications in the dashboard and select Sample App. Click Enroll Device and set the necessary information. Insert FFFE in the middle of the 48-bit MAC address in device EUI and register it. If you do not have a 48-bit MAC address, you can purchase one from the IEEE. This completes the configuration of the LoRaWAN network server. Next, configure the end node device to connect to the LoRaWAN network. In order to communicate using terminal software, insert the PMOD USB UART module to PMOD2 and set up serial communication using the COM port and connect the PC and the device. Download Virtual COM port driver from the website and install it. Set the LoRaWAN specific parameters using the AT command. Similarly, set sensor specific parameters also with the AT command. Once the device is connected to the LoRaWAN network, it will start transmitting sensor data. This completes the configuration of the end node device. The next step is to output data from the LoRaWAN network server onto the Cayenne dashboard for display. From the LoRaWAN dashboard, click Application, Sample App, Output, Select Cayenne in the list and click Add Output. Be sure to record the application ID and authentication token at this point. Finally, configure Cayenne for LoRa. After creating an account and logging in, select LoRa, then select LoRaWAN from Network. Select Cayenne LPP from the list displayed and set the necessary information such as device EUI, LoRaWAN server to be used, application ID of sample application set up with LoRaWAN, authentication token, then click Add Device. The data sent from the sensors via LoRaWAN can now be visualized on Cayenne. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details on RA LoRaWAN Sensor Demo and RA LoRa-based solution.